Hello, welcome to the last unit of the module Forecast Development. So far you have learned the theory, the tools and techniques of forecasting, and you listened to the experts' opinions on the theme. Now, how do you plan a forecasting session? But first of all, why do you need to plan a forecasting session? By exploring the future, the trends and the needs together with your stakeholders, it will help you to imagine the future together and develop new strategies. First of all, think about it as it was an event, where you invite all the staff and representatives of your networks. For example, a small museum by the municipality. Who do you think you should invite? It could be representatives of the municipality, representatives of local associations, teachers, young people, representatives of migrants, representatives of the local shops, regional department, anyone that you can think of that might have plans in your area. Consider the overall balance of perspectives and background, as well as other factors including age, gender, community, experience with the museum, and the geographical distance. When you invite them, tell them that you value their opinion, that you want to understand what direction the museum wants to take, what are the future needs that you need to address together, and what action the museum can take in the future. You can use many methodologies to steer the conversation, from the work cafe to the open up spaces, other creative techniques that you can think of. Just remember about the focus of your session in order to take future actions. Open questions are always a good place to start. For example, how do you see your museum in 10 years' time? What do you think are the future trends? What will be the economical, political situation in 10 years' time? How will technology impact? What are the events we need to look upon to? Be aware also that everyone will come with their own agenda and story. Of course, if you can find an expert in facilitation, this will really help you, but in some areas it could be a difficult skill to find. Therefore, we just wanted to give you a few suggestions. So, first of all, set a friendly and welcoming environment. Usually, refreshments are always appreciated. Explain the goal of the session and how it's going to work. Set the rules. For example, every contribution has a value, every idea is welcomed, and there are no wrong or right answers. According to the size of the audience, you can organize different warm-up activities. Moreover, conversations are better in smaller groups, so try to split the audience, taking care that in each group all voices are represented. It's also important to have a note-taker to document the session. This will be used to thank participants afterwards. At the end of the session, it's important to wrap up and share the main findings. Thank all the participants and celebrate together. Tell them that you will and must follow up.